Okay guys, so today I would like to introduce great service. What I'm using, it's zomra.com. In order, if you would like to receive more discounts and things like that, please use link what I will put in video description in case if you'll be interested in this service. So here I have a virtual server data center in Netherlands. As you can see, I created it already 4 years ago. From this option, so let me show you. They have many services what you can use, like you can order domain, virtual services, dedicated services, FTP storage, DNS hosting, virtual hosting, website care, like support and things like that. They have added Forex server, so if you would like to uh, so VPS, I'm using a virtual server, but you can also use Forex server if you trade Forex. But you can use this or this. It's almost same. Okay, so VPN you can use, and WordPress hosting, new feature what they added. Okay, so Forex server, let me show you. From here you can order, and here you can select data center, and here you can see how many terminals you can run. Yeah. At the moment I'm using standard VPS server, and I'm charged around 10 euro, and I also got 12 gigabits memory. But let me show you, and here is my virtual server, and I'm running 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 terminals at the same time, and sometimes I open one more terminal, is this one. And here we can see, if when you are running with trading Forex, you can optimize your resources, like if you're doing a trade like 1 minute chart, you can switch them to weekly or daily, and it will not update so fast. It will not eat so many resources. Also, you can remove symbols what are not in use. So this is how I optimize my trading. Okay, let's go back. So from here I would like to simply renew my VPS. I have my interest balance. For top up, you can click here, top up by PayPal or card or bank transfer, and later you can click on this switch and click on go to panel, reboot if required. So sometimes I reboot it like one time per month. I like to make updates on my VPS. So here I would like to renew. So I'll click on renew. Here is the price what I'm paying, 10 euro. So it will be deducted from my balance. Okay, so like this, and here we can select account balance, total included tax. Okay, let's pay. As well, you can update not every month, but like in one, like per quarter, like 3 months, 6 months, or a year, and this price per month will be less then. Okay guys, so hope so very quality services they provide, so make sure to use it. Any questions, please welcome under the comment below in sections, and please use my link if you'll be interested in these Zomra services.